So we're not on site today, but we are at Window World in Kennesaw at the showroom. And I am here with Wyatt Mosley, sales representative, as well as Larry Beard, the general manager. Tell us a little bit about Window World and how you got involved in the project.
Yeah, so I actually live in Cherokee County, and I had seen the post that Amy had made on Facebook, about the Flip It Forward project, and I had reached out to my general manager, our VP of sales, who isn't here, Sean, and said, is there any way that we could get involved? And, he said he'd see what we can do. And so I had sent Amy a message saying, hey, this is who I am. I work with Window World of Atlanta. We'd love to see if we could help in any way. And then I heard back from Amy, we met on site, and, the rest is history from there.
The rest is history. That's an understatement, because I tell you what, we would have been just happy for just some windows, but it was windows, gutters, exterior doors, fascia. It was amazing, the amount, and we certainly appreciate it.
We are just involved in the community. We love giving back to the community. We know that it just pays us forward. And our largest sponsorship is with St. Jude. So anything with children like that, we just felt that was our calling, to do as much as we could for Miss Amy and that foundation there.
I think we figured out it was a little bit over $40,000 retail of what you guys were able to donate in materials and labor. And that is going to go such a long way in regard to net profit to be able to donate to Atlanta Angels. So it's just unbelievable, the heart that you guys have.
We're honored to be a part of it.
Absolutely.
Everything's made to order, so it's not just on a shelf somewhere. We actually get it prepared in our plants in North Carolina, in Ohio. Lifetime guarantee on the product, glass breakage, seal failure, all pieces of the window, all pieces of anything we sell. One huge piece is the lifetime labor guarantee. That's not a Window World corporate deal. That is actually our locally owned operation that offers that.
We're a volume-based company itself. So we're not coming out there and offering these huge discounts or anything like that, because our price per window is, usually very competitive in the market compared to a lot of these companies that, don't offer something like that. And then, we're family owned and operated.
Right from the very beginning, the communication with you guys has been great. The ordering process, you guys were, obviously these are custom, so they take a little bit of time to get ordered. You met and exceeded, I think, the lead time on there, so that was great. And the team that came out, they were in and out in a day, and they did a fantastic job. Larry, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Wyatt,
Absolutely, John.
thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure working with you, and as a result, I'm working with you on a separate project as well. So it's flourishing. Thank you so much.
Miss Amy and that foundation there.
I totally love the fact you call her Miss Amy.
No.
I can't. Amy's my wife, by the way.
Go. Good you didn't know. I did not know.